Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we're unboxing and taking a look at the Happy Halloween Tarot by Soni Graves. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $26.95 in the US. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I am so excited. I know that we have just passed Halloween as I am filming this, but we always keep the spirit alive over here on this channel. So as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to, and let's get into it. The delightful Happy Halloween Tarot is sure to lift your spirits. Soni Graves found inspiration in iconic vintage Halloween art, as well as her own childhood Halloween memories and the joy they brought her. She used a festive candy corn color palette and included her favorite spooky creatures, including skeletons, witches, pumpkins, and bats. As a homage to her Latin heritage, she chose to use Spanish titles and gender-neutral descriptions for the court cards. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, includes 78 cards with black glitter edges and a 128-page illustrated guidebook with custom spreads. All right, really cute packaging. Oh my gosh, love it. Oh, that's adorable. All right, oh, we have a ribbon, more candy corn. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook here. Halloween poem, cute. Introduction. Okay, so we do have the names here that are translated. So we have Paje, or page or daughter, Gabayir, knight or son, Reine, queen or mother, and Rey, king or father. And then it goes into more information. Okay, and then the card meanings, I do want to see, there we go. We have some spreads here. Frightful Good Time spread. And then Speaks to Spirit spread. Cute. And Recharging spread. Adorable. Okay, I'm going to unwrap the cards. I'll be right back. All right, here's the back of the cards. That is so fun. So cute. All right, let's talk cardstock. Oh, they're linen and they're nice. So they're not too thick. They're like slightly between the medium and a little bit thinner, but they feel really nice. Snapping back. Awesome. Okay, let's get into it. It looks so fun. Oh my gosh. I love the art style. So much to look at too. Cute. This is definitely giving me nostalgia. Love it. Oh, the little mice. I love that the lantern is a jack-o'-lantern. Perfect. Oh. Oh, but that's so cute. I know the devil's not technically supposed to be cute, but I adore this. Oh! Cute. Perfect. All right. Well, so far I love it. Let's get into the minors now. So we're at wands. They look like little brooms. Awesome. Okay, so it looks similar, like a pip deck almost, where it's illustrated, but it's very minimal. Page. Knight. Cute. Oh. That's neat. Okay, swords. That's interesting. Oh. Cute. Cups. I like the simple color palette. It definitely is bringing this all together cohesively. The art is fun. It might be a little hard for beginners to kind of get the hang of it, but I am excited to see the guidebook. But again, I don't think it's too terribly out of the way hard to infer what's going on with your intuition with the imagery. Fun. Oh, I like that. Cute. Okay. And pentacles. Cute. Oh my gosh, this is just too cute. All right. I don't think I showed the edges. Those are the edges. We're going to see. Oh, yeah. Oh, like butter. Okay. There's like a really good slip. I love a linen deck. All right. Oh, yeah. All right. Can I get a card to read, please? Okay, we're going to read for the Two of Swords there. Okay. This mutated skeleton can't seem to make a decision on which sword to take to battle. The pros and cons are getting blurry, and it's getting confusing. It's almost like they have two minds fighting for control of one body. We are avoiding making a decision or feel paralyzed by pondering our choices. We are presented with a crossroads and don't have full information for either choice. It is not an easy choice to make, but being indecisive is making us stagnant. This mental blockage is of our own doing. Stop asking for advice and not taking it. The Two of Swords reminds us to make the dang decision already so we can move forward with our lives. There may never be a perfect answer for your problems. Still, we must acknowledge the truth and reality and do our best to use our heart and our head to resolve the matter. How can you open your eyes to possibilities you might not be seeing? How can we take a break from agonizing over this decision as we wait for more information to be available? Oh, I like that. Okay. I definitely think that if you are a beginner or just starting out with tarot and you feel drawn to this deck, definitely this will be fine with the guidebook to help you through it. I really like that this is not like your quote unquote pip style deck where there's actually like, I think the Pentacles does a really good job with presenting what is going on in a scene in a minimalistic way. Definitely I get those intuitive hits like I would any other deck. It's just so fun and different, and it definitely is nostalgic for me personally. I like the guidebook. There's just enough information in there, and it helps you with those questions too. So if you like to journal, if you like to pull a card a day and then journal about it, those are great to have to help you and to understand the card's energy and meanings if you are just starting out. So if this is a deck you feel drawn to, I highly suggest checking it out. It's so fun. It's definitely whimsical, and it's, you know, playful and fun, perfect for the Halloween season. Or if you have Halloween every day of the year, this is fun for that too. This is definitely one I will be using throughout the year because, I mean, it's just so fun and cute and definitely a vibe. So I would love to know what you guys think about this deck. Is it something that you're excited about? Is this something that has been on your list? Or are you not a Halloween fan? Is it something that you don't need a deck about? Let me know all of those thoughts down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this my way. I am so excited to start utilizing this. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps me with the YouTube gods. Thank you again. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.